No selfie stick ka.
Okay.
Doon sa purple at saka red. Sa purple daw kami. Purple daw si Sophia. Doon na lang kayo sa red. Doon kayo sa red. Ah, sama ka dito.
Paano kaya ano yung selfie stick? Bababa.
Put down your bag.
Saan yung ano ko? Dapat ano tayo.
Bugbuka ka.
Papa. Eh, hindi daw pwede yung ano eh.
Extend.
Oo.
Hey, we're using your phone. Gagawin mo na.
Hindi naman sila magkasama eh. Yun o, yung tatlo. Yung sumingit. Alam mo, pasabay pa rin naman tayo.
That's direct na open na. Just
Yeah, no.
okay,
Yeah, like that. Okay. Yeah, thank you. O, tingin daw tayo doon.
Kanya-kanya mo. Sabi yun, look up there, Papa.
Sophia, are these minions? These are not minions naman eh.
Hindi ka nakatingala.
Head down, then smile. Smile properly.
Lagi.
Ano? Kinuha niya kay tatay siguro. Si tatay lagi ganyan pag-picture.
Kayong dalawa.
Ring.
Sila naman dalawa.
Please ensure that your hands are connected to the upper position of your vehicle and that your seatbelt is fully mounted up. The photography and video taking is not allowed in your ride. Once again, happy smiling.
Hindi na siya papabrace na.
Bakit di kaya? Hindi ba masakit?
Sakit na.
It's squirrel time. Here we go.
Baka lalo hindi makakain ng pag-video. Kaya naman daw maliit ang beauty. Tapos yung ano, malalaki. Pero may center naman daw. Ano may center? Yung naman.
Oh, Sophia. Are you very, very happy?
Unbuckle your seatbelt, gather your belongings, and follow the signs towards the nearest exit. We hope you enjoy your swirl and enjoy the rest of your day at Super Silly Funland. 欢迎回来，在城际车厢完全停止之前。
Insurance either get a ride after free lane home or
按照指示有最近的